What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, it has been some time, but I'm looking at the state of the market right now, and we are seeing a ton of red. And you guys know what it is in this channel. Whether it's green, red, or if we are just trending sideways, I always come on and give you guys my thoughts about what's happening when it comes to Shiba Inu. Today is no different. Let's go ahead and talk about it. If you are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions about all things Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and jump right in. First and foremost, Shiba Inu is down on the day. We are not down tremendously, but let's go ahead and look at the 7-day chart. Yes, it does look like there is a very slight correction, but the question becomes, is this just happening to Shiba Inu, or is the whole market in the same state? And the fact is, Ethereum is looking the exact same way. We are down 4% on the daily chart. So in terms of this being a Shiba Inu specific problem, that is just simply not the case. So what is happening at a more macro level? Why are we seeing some of these corrections, and what's going to happen as we start getting deeper and deeper into 2022? That's the big question people always ask. Well, what's coming next? And that is exactly what we are going to tackle today. First and foremost, nobody on this whole entire planet knows exactly what's going to happen in the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu last year, I really saw the narrative building quite strongly, because back in the summer going into August and on October, we saw all the signs that Shiba Inu was going to do this major breakout. I kept on telling you guys that I think this token is undervalued, because back here in May, we didn't have really that much utility. But as we started building out the ecosystem in May, June, July, August, September, and then going into October, that's when I said, I think this thing is going to make a move. Well, we are seeing the same type of narrative. And by the way, zooming out on the 1-year chart, this thing looks absolutely spectacular. I'm only on here telling you guys about the intraday volatility because I know a lot of people care about it. But if you just zoom out a little bit, and I know people hate it when others say this, but zoom out a little bit, look at what's happening on the yearly chart. In my opinion, this just looks like a big area of consolidation. And guess what? It looks exactly the same as what we saw back here in the summertime going into the fall. So for me personally, I'm not that worried. But are we going to see more pain? Well, like I said, nobody really knows. Nobody is able to call what Ethereum and Bitcoin are going to do. And we know these are the measuring sticks of how the cryptocurrency market is doing at a very broad level. If you look at Ethereum here, it just looks like a whole lot of volatility. We did see these all-time highs back in October, November, early November, late October. And from there, we had this major dip. But this is cryptocurrency, and that's why I love crypto so much, because crypto affords you the opportunity to get into tokens and coins that you were previously interested in, but had run up way too much. And that's exactly the type of opportunity that Shiba Inu is affording us right here. And that's why I am so interested on how this is going to move as we go into 2022. Now, before we continue on with this video and I give you guys my personal outlook, gotta give a huge shout out to Webull. If you guys don't know, I am a Webull affiliate. That affiliate link is going to be in the description below. When you use my link, open up a brokerage account with Webull and deposit just 1 penny. 1 cent is all they are asking for. You are going to get 5, yes, 5 free stocks, guaranteed, absolutely no questions asked. The combined value of those 5 free stocks can be all the way up to $9,600. Obviously, you do have to be a little bit lucky to get that combined value, but nonetheless, you are going to get 5 free stocks, absolutely no questions asked. So make sure you check out that affiliate link, as this promotion is not going to last forever. So back to SHIB. I think we are primed right now for a tremendous breakout. Now, that being said, I think it's largely going to be dictated on whether or not the cryptocurrency market wants to also agree with what we're trying to build here. Because if you guys look at this, we had this huge run in October and pretty much started going down as soon as November hit. If you take a look at Ethereum, Well, Ethereum had been going up in price this whole entire time. So the cryptocurrency market was actually doing relatively well. Now, we didn't see highs for Ethereum until we got to November. So Shiba Inu did actually moon prior to Ethereum showing us what its top was. But that being said, the crypto market in September going into October was actually extraordinarily bullish. Everybody was talking about crypto. Everybody was interested in getting in. Well, now the fact of the matter is, folks, the narrative has shifted completely, in my opinion. You don't see people talking about Shiba Inu or cryptocurrency at large very often anymore. Do you guys remember last year where literally every single person, every single conversation I was having with either my friends or my family, or sometimes people just out on the street, everyone was talking about cryptocurrency. Everybody was interested in cryptocurrency, but that narrative is shifting ever so slightly, because everybody is super adamant and really feeling good when the crypto market is doing well. But once we see these corrections, guess what? The only people that stick around are the ones, in my opinion, that end up making the real money. Because guess what, guys? Once we see the real correction, I mean, I'm talking about the real correction that not a lot of people want to talk about, that's going to be an opportunity of a lifetime. And that's why cryptocurrency is so special. But let's talk about short-term and long-term real quick here about Shiba Inu specifically. Well, first and foremost, like I said, nobody's really sure what's going to happen throughout the rest of this year. We have so many things that are holding us back, but we have so many things that are also pushing us forward. First and foremost, we know that the state of the market is ever so slightly bearish when it comes to short term. And that is because of the Federal Reserve. Inflation is sky high all across the globe, but specifically here in the States. And in order to combat that, well, the Federal Reserve has this nifty little trick where they increase the federal funds rate. That is the federal interest rate. I'm going to skip all the details, but that just pretty much means that people are really risk averse. They don't want to be in risky plays, so they take all their money out of crypto, they take their money out of stocks, and they put them in the 10-year treasury bond. We've talked a lot about this in the past. Well, guess what? It is front and center right now. So I'm going to be talking a lot about this in subsequent videos. I know it's going to be boring, but guess what, folks? These are the things that matter when it comes to Shiba Inu now, because simply speaking, we are not this meme token that's going to have these 100x gains overnight. We are moving with the broader cryptocurrency market. Yes, we have our own sets of catalysts that are super bullish in my opinion, but we have to look at how the broader market is going to move, and that is going to be dictated largely based off of external factors that we can't really control. So we are going to start building this narrative of what's going to happen here in terms of the federal funds rate come in the latter half of this year. So stay tuned for some of those videos. But if we're talking long term, and I love giving my long-term projection on Shiba Inu, because once that big market crash happens, right? And we're not exactly certain when it's going to happen. A lot of people feel very strong that it is going to happen though. And when and if it happens, the strong will survive, right? And I think Shiba Inu is one of those tokens that has gained enough of a reputation and respect in order to survive something like that. But it starts with us in the community. We have to be out here explaining to people that Shiba Inu is no longer a meme token. This thing is a bona fide ecosystem that is super bullish. In my opinion, if Shiba Inu was named anything other than Shiba Inu, right now we would be at a sky high market cap, because nobody is building and doing what the dev team is doing when it comes to Shiba Inu, what the community is doing when it comes to Shiba Inu. So it is up to us in order for us to be able to make people understand what it's really all about being a part of this token. I pretty much just rambled on during this whole entire video, and it's already way longer than it should have been. So that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please keep in mind, I'm by no means a financial advisor. I'm just here to put you guys on place that I'm in. Please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you guys so much once again. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out to scene, folks. Peace out.